Welcome to Virtual Education with CAD Live. In this short video, we'll show you how to attend a class as a student. First, from the CAD Live homepage, just log in. Your username and password will be provided for you. On your student dashboard, you'll see upcoming and completed classes, as well as currently active classes. Let's click Attend to join today's class. On the class page, you'll see buttons for all the tools you need to interact with the class. Every class includes an online meeting. Let's start with that button. Clicking Online Meeting will open your virtual classroom in a new window. Here you'll be able to see the instructor and other students, as well as view the instructor's screen. For the best classroom experience, you should have two-way audio and video. The online meeting will have controls for configuring the webcam and the mic. The CAD Live training portal should still be open on a separate tab or on a second monitor. Let's switch back there. If your class includes hands-on exercises, you'll also see Remote Computer and Share Your Screen buttons. Let's share your screen. Clicking the Share Your Screen button will launch your sharing options. Just select what you'd like to share and click the Share button. Your instructor will be able to view your screen. You can tell sharing is active based on the Browser tab, the Share Your Screen button, and the pop-up on the bottom of the screen. If you stop sharing or your share is interrupted, you can always start again by clicking the Share button again. Now your instructor will be able to help you with hands-on exercises during class. Next, let's take a look at the remote computer. Clicking this button will launch a new browser tab where your virtual machine will begin connecting. Once connected, you'll see the desktop containing icons for programs that might be used during class. The instructor will also be able to monitor the status of your remote computer. You can always get back to your portal by switching tabs and return back to your computer by clicking the Computer tab. And that's all you need to attend a class in CAD Live. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy your training.